What if I told you, your security camera might be blind when you need it most, missing motion, failing in pitch darkness, or lagging during critical alerts? We tested 20+ top models in brutal conditions, pitch darkness, rain, and Wi-Fi dead zones, and the results will shock homeowners. One popular camera missed 30% of motion events, while our number 3 detected every single movement with crystal clear night vision. If you want true peace of mind, this is the only ranking you need. Starting at number 1. Blink Outdoor 4. All new Blink Outdoor 4 is a wire-free smart security camera that allows you to protect your home inside and out right from your smartphone. With 1080p HD live view, infrared night vision, and two-way audio, you can see and speak to anyone on your property. The camera has an impressive 2-year battery life, so you can set it up in minutes and not worry about changing batteries for a long time. The enhanced motion detection feature ensures that you are alerted to any motion faster, giving you peace of mind. Additionally, with person detection, you can receive alerts specifically when a person is detected, adding an extra layer of security. With the Blink Outdoor 4, you can save and share clips, store events in the cloud or locally, and even connect it to an Alexa-enabled device for added convenience. Number 2. WYZE Cam Pan V3. Introducing the WYZE Pan V3, an indoor-outdoor IP65 rated 1080p pan/tilt/zoom Wi-Fi smart home security camera. This camera is designed to provide you with peace of mind, whether you're monitoring your home or keeping an eye on your little one in the nursery. With its pan, tilt, and zoom capabilities, you can easily live stream from anywhere and control the camera remotely using the WYZE app. The motion tracking feature goes beyond simple alerts, as it automatically follows the action in the room. The smooth and quiet operation ensures that the camera does its job discreetly. Plus, with color night vision, you can record vivid nighttime videos even in dark environments. Trust the WYZE Pan V3 to keep your home secure and provide you with round-the-clock surveillance. Number 3. Ring Stick-Up Cam Battery. The Ring Stick-Up Cam offers a versatile and convenient way to monitor your home. With its battery-powered design, you can easily place it indoors or outdoors. The Live View feature allows you to check on your property anytime through the Ring app, giving you peace of mind. You can also communicate with visitors using the two-way talk function, making it simple to interact with people at your door. Additionally, you'll receive motion alerts, keeping you informed about any activity around your home. Number 4. SEHMUA 2K Solar Security Camera. The SEHMUA Solar Security Camera offers a comprehensive solution for monitoring your property. With its solar-powered design and panoramic view capabilities, you can enjoy continuous surveillance without worrying about battery life. The 2K Full HD resolution ensures that you capture every detail, even during the night, thanks to its advanced night vision features. Additionally, its easy installation process allows you to set it up in just 5 minutes, so you can start protecting your home right away. The PIR motion sensor minimizes false alarms, providing you with reliable alerts whenever movement is detected. Number 5. Blink Compact Indoor Security Camera. The Blink Mini is a compact indoor plug-in smart security camera that provides 1080p HD video, night vision, motion detection, two-way audio, and easy setup. It works with Alexa and can be used as an indoor plug-in chime for Blink Video Doorbell. The Blink Mini camera comes with a mounting kit, USB cable, and power adapter. So, which security camera will you trust to protect your home? Keep watching the comments. If this security deep dive made you feel safer, guard that like button, it helps us test more. Want more home security truths? Subscribe. Next week we're testing smart locks. All our top picks are linked below. Stay secure.